Here's Daphne checking reception every day. She has to come out. No, we can't go in the room with the kitty. Yes, you gotta check. Make sure everything's okay. Everyone's doing their job. What? You gonna go in the desk? No? I just I'm sorry. Am I interrupting? I'm sorry. Oh, we gotta check the door. Is it okay? No one's at the door. Hey, Daph. What's out the window? You gonna check the desk today or no? No? I'm gonna go up and check my desk, my messy desk. What? Yes, there's no other kitties out in reception. It's yours. Yes, you don't have to mark it. What? What's a pretty girl? Where you going?